Hi, Terry Lee here with a quick announcement. I am having a special midsummer Get Unstuck sale. So, what does that mean to you? Well, for the first 10 people that sign up, you get to have an hour-long consultation, so to speak, but it can be anything that you want. It could be a tech call, it could be a strategy call. Maybe you need a second pair of eyes to look over some tech that you're implementing in your Kajabi focused business. Maybe you're just trying to understand, is Kajabi the solution for you, or you're trying to integrate with third-party systems. It can kind of be whatever you need it to be. And so this sale ends on the 31st, and then that's for signing up, and then you'll have a few weeks to set your appointment and meet with me. So don't miss out. Again, the first 10 people to sign up get this special deal. Is discounted for $99. And hopefully I will see you soon and get to meet and learn all about your business and definitely help you get unstuck. So I will see you later. Check the show notes or the description below for the link for registering, and I'll see you soon. Bye.